In this video, I will show you how to create a virtual card with Paysika in Cameroon. This is very easy. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So Paysika is a Cameroonian platform that I've been using for a while now, and I never had any issues with them. I really love them. The exchange rate is very good. As you can see on my screen here, if I go to my transaction, you can see all my transactions here to show to you that I've been using them for a while and I've never really had any issues with them. So I would recommend it to you if you're looking for a virtual card in Cameroon. If you don't have a Paysika account, in the description of this video, there is a link there that's going to help you create a Paysika account and verify it. It's totally free. Now, once you've done that, this is how you create a card on Paysika. The first thing is for you to click on the card button at the bottom of your screen here, depending on the smartphone you're using. And on the top right corner of my screen, you can see a plus button. So click on the plus button is to add a card. So you can choose a virtual card or a physical card. Right now, the physical cards are not yet available, so you can choose a virtual card. Now, my screen you are seeing is going to cost me 1,000 francs. This is because I already created a free card with them. If you just create your account for the first time, your first card is going to be free. But after you've used your first card, if you want to create another card, you have to pay 1,000 to get another card. But since you just created your account, you can go ahead and create a virtual card for free by just click on the plus button and they'll ask you to choose your card. And that's how to create a virtual card with Paysika for absolutely free. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this.